Want to unlock nature's secrets to youthful, glowing skin? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 anti-aging fruits that can help turn back the clock, starting with the antioxidant-packed pomegranate. Whether it's creamy avocados for skin-loving fats or vibrant kiwis loaded with collagen-boosting vitamin C, these fruits are nature's hidden treasures. Watch to see how blueberries, papayas, and more can keep your skin radiant and your spirit ageless.
Have you ever wished to discover your kitchen's secret to radiant, youthful skin? Stay tuned to discover the top 5 fruits that are not only delicious, but also have the potential to play a key role in reversing time. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. The top 5 anti-aging fruits that you should consume daily to look younger are described, in which the magnificent pomegranate is at the top of the list. Do you remember using them to smear our clothes when we were kids? Interestingly, they contain more powerful antioxidants than green tea or red wine. Antioxidants called pumicogens help our skin produce more collagen, which makes it look firmer and younger. Imagine that you are practically drinking from the fountain of youth just by munching on these ruby red jewels. On the second number, incredible avocados, how we love them. Who does not love a good avocado toast in the morning? Nevertheless, despite their creamy, rich taste, avocados are rich in antioxidants, which make them a great tool to use for anti-aging properties to help improve your skin. Avocados are a great source of vitamin E and good fats. Third on our list are blueberries, which are little powerhouses that are perfect for adding to smoothies in the morning because they are packed full of antioxidants and vitamins that can help protect your skin. Blueberries have appropriately been labeled as superfruits, possessing the ability to block and even reverse many of the consequences of aging. Fourth one is kiwis on our list. The fuzzy exterior and vivid green interior have always captivated me, but aside from their striking appearance, kiwis are really beneficial to our skin, full of vitamin C to the brim. And you know what? Not only is vitamin C excellent for immunity, but it also increases the production of collagen in our skin. The miracle protein that keeps our skin youthful and smooth is called collagen. I have read that some cultures use kiwi extracts as a natural face mask that can be applied directly to the face. Last but not least, next on our list is the tropical sensation, papaya. Bursting with vitamin C, enzymes, and beta-carotene, papayas promote collagen production, giving your skin a plump and youthful appearance. Summertime memories are complete with a slice of sweet papaya by the beach. Papaya from Tropical Delight contains an enzyme called PAN, which helps eliminate dead skin cells and pollutants while acting as a natural exfoliant. I read a study that demonstrated how vitamin E can effectively prevent skin aging by shielding it from damaging UV rays. The next time you spread guacamole, remember that you are also giving your skin a little love. The P in tropical skin is smoother. In addition to being a treat for travelers, papayas are like nature's spa treatment for the skin. I recall a trip where we used mashed papaya as a face mask and felt so refreshed afterward. To be honest, I am always amazed by nature. It resembles a treasure trove of beauty secrets waiting to be unearthed. Who would have thought that eating some of your favorite foods could help prevent aging? There you have it, the top 5 fruits for anti-aging that will have you glowing from the inside out. Dear viewers, which fruit is your favorite for achieving a radiant and revitalized complexion? Is it one of our top 5 picks, or is there a hidden gem we should be aware of? Comment below with your favorite fruit secrets.
Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.